So what's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to reconcile Stripe transactions in Xero. Today we're going to see how to connect Stripe to Xero. So firstly, go to your organization menu and then click on Settings. Payment Services. Now click Add Payment Service and select Stripe. Xero will prompt you to log into your Stripe account to authorize the connection. Once authorized, Xero will ask you to map the account inflow. Automate the clearing account because it will offer to automatically create a Stripe bank account or clearing account for you. Accept this and assign the fee account. Select your bank fees or merchant fees expense account so Xero knows where to code Stripe's processing charges. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this, and drop a comment down below letting us know what to cover next, and I will see you on the next video.